Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you my simple and easy fish cake recipe. So these are the ingredients. We need 1 whole onion, garlic, 5 cloves lang ang gagamitin, 2 tablespoon of soy sauce, salt, pepper, spring onions, anchovies or dried dilis, and of course, fish cake. First, chinop ko muna yung onions into thin slices. Next, chop also the garlic. Before I chop, dinurog ko muna para mas lumasa siya sa soup ng fish cake. Then, hinugasan ko muna yung fish cake. For me, mas okay na hugasan muna, but it's up to you kung ano mas prefer ninyo. I fold the fish cake in half, then fold it again thrice. So, ganito kalalabasan niya guys. It's like a W shape. Then, itutusok ko lang siya using a barbecue stick. So, ito na sila guys. Nakagawa ako ng 6 pieces of fish cake. And pwede din kayo mag-add ng mga squid balls sa fish cake soup natin. And ready na sila iluto guys. First, preheat a pan and put 5 cups of water. Then, ihuhulog ko muna yung onion and garlic. Then, let it simmer for 3 minutes. Next, lagay na natin yung dried dilis and mix it. Let it simmer again for 5 minutes. So, nalagay ko na kanina guys yung soy sauce and now the spring onions. Then put a little bit of salt and also pepper to taste. Wait lang natin kumulo guys, and after that, pwede na nating alisin yung mga pampalasa na nilagay natin kanina. Now, it's time to put on the fish cake. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. So, ganito ginagawa ko to make sure na maluto lahat ng parts. After kumulo, it's now ready to serve. So this is the finished product, guys. Sakto lang yung alat or lasa niya. I hope you learned from this recipe, guys, and pwedeng-pwede nyo ito gawin at home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.